In this video, you'll learn how to easily add images to the image slider of Xtheme's gallery post format. Additionally, you'll be able to reorder images later. So first I'll show you the default way to add images to the image slider. So let's add a new post. So we're using WordPress 5.0 here, so we're in the Gutenberg interface. So let's first add a title here, image slider, and to attach images to a post you will need to use the classic block. So let's add the classic block here and click on the add media icon, and now you can add media to your content. And this process also attaches the media to the page. And let's select an image here, or actually you can select multiple images. So by pressing shift and then click on an image, and this will select a block of image like this, and let's actually insert that. Images are now inserted to the post. So let's publish this and let's view this in the front end. Let's view the post. So the images are displayed in the content, and let's actually use the gallery post format. So you need to be in under the document status and visibility, post format, select gallery. So click update and let's view our page again, or post. Let's clear the cache. Slider should be displaying in there. So now the slider is displayed, and this slider gets the images from the attachment. So we can see that if we remove the images here. So, and also if you don't want the images, you can delete the images here in the content. So to easily do that, we need first to switch to the code editor and just select the image tags, or in this case just select all and delete. So let's update this and view the post again. So the images is still here in the slider because they're still attached to the post. So there's no way to reorder the images, and for that we will need a plugin. So I've already installed the WP attachments plugin, but if you have not done so yet, go to plugins, add new, and search for WP attachments. So here it is. It's already installed in my WordPress install. It's from Marco Milesi. It's already activated in my site. So in the post editor, we scroll down until we get to the media. It says no attachments found. Let's first reload this because we opened this page with no attachments first, so it didn't read any attachments, so you need to reload. Let's scroll down again, and as you can see, here's the images that were attached to this post. Let's view the front end here. So let's say you want this camera to be the first image to display once the post is loaded. So let's inspect this, and let's view the file name. It's a featured news 04. This is the one, featured news 04. So let's click and drag this on top to the top, and let's update the post, and let's view the post. And once the post is loaded, this will be the one that will show up first. So as you can see, the camera is loaded first. To reduce the images here, you can press on the delete or unattach. It's not remove here, so maybe you need to reload. So let's scroll down to the media again. So we now have 3 images left. So let's reload the page, and next we'll add just another image. So that's one, this is second image, third, and back to one. So to add an image, you just click on add media, then click insert post, looks like the list is not updating, so let's view this in the front end. And as you can see, the image was added. Looks like you actually need to reload to refresh the list. So again, to reorder, you just drag and drop. So there you have it. Hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified if there's a new video.